Hey guys, how are you? How everything is going on? Well, this is Kajri Mishra. I know it's a very long time no see, but yeah, I know everything will be going in a flow your side, right? So today I'm here with a very interesting and demanding topic of the time, right? Of the scenario that how to become rich. So today we will discuss. Today I'll tell you some thinking or thoughts or teachings that rich people teach their children and poor and middle class don't, right? So, first and most important thing that rich don't work for money, right? It doesn't mean that they don't like money, but they don't just for money. They learn for, they work for learning, and then money work for them, right? They don't work for money, even money work for them, right? Second one, rich people don't spend their money on liabilities. They purchase assets. So, well, question arises, what is asset and liability? So, asset is the thing that help to increase your money, right? That help to increase your money, right? Automatically means in this type of asset you have to invest your time only once, right? You have to spend once your time, and then automatically it start money working for you and increasing as well, right? And liabilities is the thing where you can't get money return, right? Suppose if you purchase a car for yourself, then it's liabilities. But if you purchase a car and then you start take round with that car and take passengers, or you can say candidates, to drop them their stop, like autos, right? So that time your car will be a asset, right? But if you will purchase this for yourself, then it's not a asset, it's a liability. And same with your house. If you purchase the house, and mostly people think that their house is their asset, and that's why they put a lot of, even 80% money of their life in their house, because they think that their home is their asset, right? But it's a myth, because if but if some but if I mean but it's not an asset, right? Because you use it only for yourself. It don't take money for yourself, right? It don't provide you money, that's why it's not an asset. Okay. And third one, that savers are the losers, because money is the cheapest thing of this world. Money is the cheapest thing in this world, whose value is decreasing day by day rapidly, right? You all know very well that before some time, even before not lot of time, even before 5 years, right? And it's 20,000 was fine to spend their spend your household spendings, expenses, to complete your expenses. For your expenses, 20,000 was enough to for your expenses for a normal family, right? 4 to 5 people. But now it's, I think, 40 to 50,000 at least. Its requirement of a normal family expenses is 40 to 50,000 according to me, right? So, but still, there are some people who like to save money, and most important thing that people for a long time, like I think you have listened about fixed deposit. They put their money for 10 years. Yet they don't know that 30,000 rupees after 10 years, what will be its importance? Even less than 10,000, right? Imagine your 30,000 value after 10 years from present, after 10 years, what will be the importance of the 30,000? Nothing. But still people like to put. And fourth one is why richer, why rich people, what is the reason? Mostly people said that I know that rich people are getting rich and poor people are getting more poor, right? What is the reason behind it? You know what? Because money is the most important subject of our life that we learn from our house, right? Because it not teach us in schools or colleges, right? Our teachers don't teach us. We have not learned money subject in our school or colleges. We only listen something, even little bit about money at our home, right? So what do you think? Rich people, so if their parents, it means we learn about money with our parents, right? So what poor and middle class people will teach their children about money according to their thinking? And if your parents are rich, then they will teach you about money as they're thinking, according to their thinking. If your please don't take it negatively, but yeah, it's true. If your parents are already poor, then what they will teach you about money? Nothing, right? But if your parents are already rich, then they will teach you about money very well, right? That's the reason that poor people are getting poor and rich people are getting rich. It's totally about the thinking of thinking. It's everything about our thoughts, right? So main important thing is our thinking. What is your thinking about money? Please don't take it very seriously. Money. It's nothing in front of you when it comes to you. Money is nothing about after you, right? So first and most important thing, invest your money in your best asset. That's your brain. Learn how much you can learn. I'm not talking about vocational knowledge. I'm talking about practical knowledge. How much you can learn, right? Learn skills, right? Because that's the thing that will earn money for you, not your bookish knowledge. Okay, and fifth one is mostly people said that money is the that myth. So there is a myth about money that the love of money, the love of money is the root of all evil. But according to me, it's totally a myth. Fact is, the lack of money is the reason of all the evil or root of all the evil, right? If people have money, then why they will get jealous with everybody? Why they will do wrong things, wrong manners, wrong? Well, they will do, well, they will harm anybody, right? So, roots of evil is lack of money, not money is the root of love of money, right? So, most important and last but not least, I have request to all the teachers, please take money as a subject in your schools. If any of the teachers or principal listening me, so please having a subject money, because financial knowledge is most important for us, right? Because without financial knowledge we are just working as a donkey. Seriously. Yeah, it's better, but it's true. If we don't have knowledge about money, right, that what is asset and liabilities, then we can't earn anything. Just working whole day, right? Like a labor. I don't want to get negative to impact on anybody, but yeah, it's true, right? So please, I'm requesting you that please try to learn something about money, okay? And so it is the first, it is the first, it is the first part of that, our, it is the first part of the chapter of this series, that what rich people teach their children about money, and poor and don't and poor and middle class don't. Okay, so thank you so much guys for listening. I hope you will like it. If you like it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much guys for listening.